Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Roblox on your Mac, and it really doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Pro, MacBook Air or other Mac. This will work on all. Alright, so the first step what you need to do here is to of course go to roblox.com and log in, and then you need to press on the random game, for example for let's pick Adopt Me, and then press on this green button. And then, as you can see here, Roblox is now loading. As you can see here, get ready to play, and the download button pops up. You need to press on that, and as you can see here, Roblox is downloading. So after the file is downloaded, press on that particular file, and as you can see here, this probably button will pop up. So what you need to do here is to go on Finder and go System Preferences here. And then what you need to do here is to go on Security and Privacy, and then as you can see here, Roblox, open, press open anyway, and then press open, as you can see here. And now we installing the Roblox, and we need to wait for a second. And as you can see here, Roblox is installed. So what you need to do here is click, and again this button will pop up, so press open again, as you can see here, and then we need to wait for a second. And now basically we're configuring the Roblox, so we need to wait for a few seconds, and after that we able to basically play Roblox. Alright, so as you can see here, Roblox is starting and Roblox is successfully installed. Press OK, and then what you need to do here is to you can again go back on roblox.com, and you can select whatever game you want. It really doesn't matter what game. So as you can see here, let's try another one. For example, let's look for Piggy, and then press on Piggy, press again this green button, and as you can see here, we can cancel this, and we need to wait for a second. And as you can see here, we need to open Roblox, not cancel, I'm sorry. And as you can see here, the Roblox is starting, and now you can join the server and play. Alright, so guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.